Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So today, I'm not even sure what day of Ramadan it is today. It is currently 1:20 and we are about to cut Issa's hair, and I don't know how this is gonna go. He might end up bald. We'll see. I like your hair.
Press it first.
Look at that hair, mashallah. Okay, so it is all done now. How cute does it look? I don't even know if I'm going to keep it like this, or I might just do a little bit of editing later. Doesn't it look so cute? So it's a little bit later. This is how Issa's hair looks. What do you guys think of my haircut? I'm actually so proud of myself. So I'm going to be cooking a delicious dish. Please don't ask me for the recipe because I don't have it. I literally just have it in my brain. I'm going to be kind of asking my mom as I go along, and I'm not gonna have a recipe for you. It is called KOWSI. It is spaghetti, a chicken curry, and then loads of different sides like coriander, cheese, fried onions, egg, things like that. So I'm going to be making all of the sides and everything right now. I've put on my eggs to boil, and then once they're cool I will grate them. So I've got some spices in here and my eggs are done, so I'm going to be taking those off, covering them and letting them cool because I'm not going to be grating them till later, so I might as well just leave them to cool. Look at my coriander, how beautiful does this one look? And then this one is even starting to grow, which is so amazing. I'm so happy that this is happening. And the rest of this looks awful. Oh my gosh. Mint is growing a little bit, I'm not even gonna lie, that looks alright. Over here, I don't know what this is. Like, we've either planted a potato or an onion here, and this is grown out of here. So we're gonna have a surprise as to whether it's onion or potato. If anyone knows what these leaves are from, let me know, because I honestly think they're different from the rest of them. So I've come to get some coriander for my cooking. Oh, someone told me to use scissors, but I forgot to bring some out. So far we have coriander, cheese, fried onions, we have my chicken curry, we have this yogurt sauce. I still need to grate the eggs, but that can be done closer to the time. So that looks amazing, and I'm regretting cooking so early because it just smells and looks delicious. Oh my god. So my garden is looking a bit messy. It's been really warm the last couple of days, so the kids have just been playing outside, and I cut Issa's hair outside today, so I was thinking doing a garden speed clean. So let's go do that. So that is basically done. I'm not going to do anything else apart from take this high chair in, and it's got a few bits and pieces, rubbish and just things that belong in the house in there. So I'm going to take that in, sort everything out. Almost the whole time that I was doing that, Issa has literally just been sitting here, just playing by himself with this little thing. Are you having fun, little man? Issa! Yeah, wee! More? Wow! Good job! More! And while he's nice and relaxed and calm, I'm going to show you his hair. This is how it looks at the back. I think it looks so... No, I'm not allowed to touch your hair. And then I kind of trimmed around the edges a little bit. I tried my best to do as much as I could, but it was hard work. So I didn't think I had any wrapping paper left, but I have found some. I found some blue wrapping paper, this one and this one, which is a full roll, which is amazing. So yay! I am just gonna clean this mess up. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this living room. I've just been on my feet since earlier today, so I just wanted a little break, but as you can hear, it's not been a very peaceful one. So I've come upstairs. I escaped upstairs while the kids are eating their dinner, which was basically just some chicken from the chicken curry. I put some scrambled eggs on the plate, half a burger bun each, and also some beans. They don't like beans, but I thought I'd give them to them so that they could try them again, but Elisa downright just went, nope, I don't like them. Even though I asked her if she wanted beans, and she said yeah, but then when as soon as she saw what they were, she was like, nope. My sister just came to drop off some focaccia bread. I think that's how you say it. I'm so bad at pronouncing things. She made some lovely looking bread, so she dropped some off, and some chocolate chip muffins. I don't know how I'm losing weight this Ramadan. Like, I've lost quite a bit actually. I've lost over 4 pounds, which is crazy because I haven't been working out. At Siri time I've been eating, but I've been eating a little bit, even though I had a brownie this morning and last night and the night before. Oh my gosh, I've just been eating brownies and I'm losing weight. What's going on? So today I cannot wait to eat KOWSI. It's one of my favourite things that my mum makes, and this is the first time I've ever made it, which is surprising because normally I just love cooking everything. But yeah, today I was really craving it, and so I just made it myself. I've just been going non-stop since I woke up. I woke up just before 11 o'clock this morning. Elisa woke up with her dad. Issa was sleeping with me and he woke up at 11 something too. I'm going to end the vlog now anyway, because all I'm going to be doing is lying down until the kids come upstairs, giving the kids a little shower, and then putting them to bed. Hopefully they'll go to bed fine because Issa didn't have a nap, so he should be tired. And then going to finish off preparing my food, which I will show you because I know you guys like to see the food things. I don't know actually, do you like to see the food prep and all that kind of thing that I do? Let me know. But I'm going to put it in this video anyway because I like to see it. That is going to be the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope your Ramadan is going amazing, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!